Just imagine being able to sit down and you can open the Akashic records within 7-8 minutes. You ask your questions, you get the answers clearly. It is quite possible. Just imagine this and know exactly what you are doing and why you are doing this. Now, you can do this because it's not because you are gifted, you have to be someone very special, but because you have been trained through a proper system. Why I am saying this? Because before going ahead, let me introduce a little bit about myself. My name is Neha Singla. I'm an Akashic researcher, author, and trainer with over 15 years of focused study and applied exploration in Akashic records and consciousness based systems. I come from an IT engineering background, which means I do not believe in vague processes. And yes, I have had psychic perception since my childhood, but intuition alone does not create mastery. And that's what I am bringing it to you, that just being intuitive, just being knowledgeable does not create mastery. Over the years, I also kept asking one question: what actually makes Akashic access reliable? What actually means the Akashic consciousness? It is not something only inspiring, only mystical, but it has to be repeatable every time. Many people can read records, they can do the intuitive readings for others, but they cannot do it for themselves. The biggest and the most common gap between a good Akashic reader and a normal Akashic reader is the validation, the trust, the confidence. Many times, what happens is that you try to access the Akashic records, and then immediately you wonder, is this real? Am I really into my Akashic records? Am I imagining this? Why does it work sometimes and not others? And while you are still figuring that out, you see other people confidently talking about the records as if they can enter wherever they want, whenever they want. It's not that you are lacking intuition, but you are lacking a system. And in this 15 years, after coaching hundreds of students and more than 50 plus Akashic trainers into this system, I have come up with a ready-made learnable system for you that validates if you are accessing it right or not by the concept of neuroscience. Of course, it is mystical, but it has the right proportion of the mysticism and the skill learning. What happens, I tell you a truth very honestly, that most people struggle because Akashic records access is just taught as mysticism, not as a skill. So what happens that you wait for the right mood, maybe you meditate longer, maybe you pray harder. You just want to feel it that you are accessing it right. Access feels random, sometimes the messages are vague, you are not able to understand. So what do you want? You just want to enter the records whenever you want. You want to know it is real. You want clear, grounded guidance, not any poetic, vague information and confusions. And you want to feel safe and stable while accessing it. I think that's not too much to ask. And that's what proper training looks like. Just because of the unbalanced approach to the mysticism and the skill, I have created a system along with some components that is called as SAC Akashic Access Kit. This is the, you can say your anchor, your support system, your trainer at your home, which will keep guiding you, which will keep aligning you, which is always there with you to make you more reliable Akashic records reader. You make faster money as compared to other readers. Also, it ensures that it has some tangible value. The challenge in this mysticism world is, this mystic world is that you get something which is like tangible. And for that, with the guidance of the Akashic guides in 2024, at the end of the 2024, I started working on designing this kit. This is not like a 1 or 2 day sort of work. what I am bringing to you is a work of precision. It's work of so much of, you know, contracts invested into this. Akashic consciousness, the higher dimension masters behind that, plus the concepts of the neuroscience, lot of studies, lot of how the belief system, the challenges of a spiritual being and intuitive can be break down simply so that they can penetrate into the right model of learning. In the background, it was not that simple, but when you learn it, it is extremely simple. It is very safe, and that's all about it. So, let me explain what this SSE method is, what this SSE Akashic Access Kit is about. SSE stands for speed, accuracy, and connection. Now, the speed is also dependent on some variables. The accuracy is also dependent on some variables like alignment, attunement, etc. And then connection, okay, that how deeper your chakras are and other factors. But everything is being taken care of into this kit as much as possible. This system is built, you will be, your mind will be blown to know that this system is built so that you can access your Akashic records within 7 to 8 minutes. Now imagine that if an Akashic reader can just do the 3 or 4 readings in a day, my clients who are my students now can make 30, 35 readings in a day very easily. And trust what you receive without second guessing. Maintain a stable connection without emotional overload. Sometimes what happens that you want to do the Akashic record for yourself, reading for yourself, but you are not in the right mood, right? So it becomes very tough to meditate deeper at that time. But this kit takes care of that. So you do not have to wait for the right state. Before this training, unsure, mostly before this training, feel unsure if they are imagining things, if they are dependent on other leaders, they're spiritually curious but not confident. But after this, they know that they are accessing the records. They know they become someone who enters the records initially, easily receives clear guidance, how to implement that into your day to day life, feels grounded and safe also. And that's the difference between being intuitive and being intuitively trained through the SAC system. And that's why I created this 1 month Akashic Records program using the SSC Akashic Access Kit. It's a 30-day guided training designed to help you build clear, consistent Akashic access while still honoring the sacred nature of the records. This program does not treat Akashic records as something to believe in, just which you are not understanding. It also treats it like a skill to be developed because you are learning the Akashic records through the human body. You are having the soul knowledge through the human body. So human principles work on a certain logic, on a certain principle, and there I combine the intuitive into the skill. So it's amazing. And now I explain a little bit about that, what this Akashic Course Access Kit includes. Well, I'm very excited about it, and because the very first and the most important part of this kit is the India's first divination tool that gives you a direct access to the Akashic records, and that is, so what you will receive when you enroll into this program is like these Mastercards or 85 cards, Akashic cards. This is not available anywhere else in India. It is available in US and India, physically available to courier. And when you enroll in this program, you will receive this. This is the largest deck of 85 cards of Akashic records that covers about your money soul contracts, career soul contracts, business soul contracts, ancestral soul contracts, your archetypes, about your soul's nature, about your life purpose, about your soul mission, about your relationships, about twin flame, about your feminine and masculine energy codes. There's a lot that it can cover. It is like amazing. So now imagine that you are accessing Akashic records and someone says, ancestral healing. Yeah, I see that. And now you get a card and you get the clear picture that it is the ancestral healing card. So there is a difference, right? You will easily understand where the problem is coming from. Okay. But not just this. Apart from this access kit will be included a printed workbook, right? A workbook which is like gives you an entire concept of Akashic consciousness. Another part is you will be amazed to know that with this amazing kit, you get a 268-page digital guidebook to refer to these cards. Can you imagine the potential and what kind of value you are receiving through it? And this whole guidebook does not cover just what it is guiding. It also gives you a very deep pointers. What are the next action items? What are the journal prompts? What are the possibilities that you need to take care of? That all is covered into this vast 268-page digital guidebook. Not just this, then in this 3 weeks program, all right, 30 days program, you get a weekly live training support also directly by the creator, and that is me. Apart from this, you have the lifetime digital access of this training to all the training materials and the future updates. You will receive it at your address when you enroll into this program. Now you will be having questions that in how many days, etc., etc. And for that, we will be giving it to you in the FAQ list. Yes, apart from that, I'm thinking to add one more bonus this time, and that is my book, Akashic Reading Unlocked Step by Step. Okay, so that also I will be adding with few first 10 enrollments into the program. I'm super excited to have you, and I would love to see those souls who are the change makers and they are just ready to master Akashic records, and this soul are ready to tap into the Akashic consciousness with a clear system, with a clear support, and, and yeah, then they just serve their life purpose more clearly. I'm always there with you. Lots of love, lots of blessings. See you.